I'm really excited about teaming up with you and I'm all set to dive in. So how can I make your life easier?
Hi ChatGPT.
Hey there, how's your day going?
Yeah, this is going wonderful. Tell me, how are you?
I'm here and ready to assist you. So, what's on your mind?
Can you help me improve my spoken English?
Absolutely. Improving spoken English involves practice and exposure to the language. One helpful way is to engage in conversations regularly. We can chat about various topics, and I can provide feedback and corrections as needed. How does that sound?
Wow, wonderful. So, how can I start spoken English? Learn English with ChatGPT. Yes, my friends, in your family, if you have no one to practice your spoken English, or if you have no friends to speak spoken English or to practice spoken English, or if you have no one to practice your spoken English, no need to worry. Yes, my friends, ChatGPT is here. This application can help you to improve your spoken English on a daily basis. You can practice your daily conversation with this application freely. You can improve your vocab with this application freely. You can check your grammar, whatever you have written, or you can check your grammar in your writing with the help of ChatGPT. Even you can practice real life English conversation with the help of ChatGPT. Yes, this application is totally free. You don't need spend a single penny to practice your spoken English. Yes, ChatGPT is an amazing application, you can say, which is AI based, and also at the end of your conversation with the help of ChatGPT, you can ask ChatGPT to give your feedback. Okay, so as a tutor, ChatGPT can give you a proper feedback where to improve, where to not. Got it? So this is the best video of my channel which is going to help you improve your spoken English on a daily basis. Yes, so if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic Indro, and I guarantee that you are going to love this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So download ChatGPT from Play Store, which is free. Here is the application. Just you can see here is ChatGPT. So install it. So open ChatGPT. Okay, so you have to continue with Google, or you have to sign up with your email. So now after sign up, continue, and here it is. This is the interface of ChatGPT by which you can speak English smoothly. So you can say, now I am going to show you how you can practice conversation with ChatGPT by typing. Okay, and later I will provide you how you can practice ChatGPT through an audio call, like through an audio voice. So here you can say hi, you can type hi ChatGPT, or simply you can say hi. Okay, see, ChatGPT replied, hello, how can I assist you today? Okay, so you can say like just hi ChatGPT, and here is the reply. Now you can say like type, can you help me improve my English? Just type and send to ChatGPT. Let's see. Wow, ChatGPT replied, of course, I would be happy to help you improve your English. What aspect of English are you looking to work on? Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, or something else? Got it? Now I am going to show you how you can improve your grammar with ChatGPT. For example, you can say or you can type police is helpful and ask ChatGPT to check it. Please check any mistake in the line. Okay, and send. See, it is corrected by ChatGPT. The correct form should be police are helpful. The word police is a plural noun, so it requires the plural verb are instead of the singular verb is. So ChatGPT not only replied your answer or checked your grammar, but also ChatGPT gave the right information that after police you have to use are, not is. Okay, so I have showed you that how you can improve your grammar or how you can check your grammar with ChatGPT, right? So now with the help of ChatGPT I am going to show you how you can improve your English vocab or how you can expand your English vocabulary. Just type any English word. For example, proficient. Okay, proficient. So I am going to type proficient and I will ask some synonym for this. Let's see. Please give some synonyms of proficient. See, ChatGPT replied with some amazing synonyms. Let's see. Skilled, competent, adept, capable, experienced, accomplished, knowledgeable and talented. Got it? So you can improve your English vocab, you can expand your stock of words in English with the help of ChatGPT. Now I am going to show you with the help of ChatGPT how you can practice your daily conversation like role playing. So type on ChatGPT like, hi ChatGPT, I would like to have a general conversation with you on the topic weather. Let's see. See, sure, let's talk about the weather. What aspect of the weather are you interested in discussing? Nowadays it is going on summer, so let's type summer. See, ChatGPT replied, oh, summer weather. It often brings to mind images of sunny days, warm temperatures, and outdoor activities. What do you enjoy most about summer weather? ChatGPT asked me. So this is how you can continue your conversation in English with the help of ChatGPT. So by this you don't need anyone to practice English. Okay, just sitting at home you can practice your spoken English with the help of ChatGPT. So let's say fruits. I just answer it fruits because I love summer because of fruits. See, ChatGPT replied, summer is indeed a great time for enjoying delicious fruits, from juicy watermelons to sweet strawberries and refreshing citrus fruits. There's a wide variety to choose from. Do you have a favorite summer fruit? See, like a human, like your friend, ChatGPT keeps continuing its chat with you. So, why are you waiting for? Just download ChatGPT and sign up with your Gmail and let's practice your spoken English with ChatGPT and of course freely. So I just typed mango. See, when you see the reply of ChatGPT, how rich it is and how full of vocab, so by which you can also learn some vocabs. Mangoes are a classic summer fruit. They are not only delicious but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Do you enjoy eating mangoes on their own, or do you have a favorite mango dish or recipe? Got it? So you can keep continuing your spoken English conversation at home with the help of ChatGPT. And now I am going to show you how you can chat with ChatGPT one-on-one voice. It would be like voice calling, by which you can improve your pronunciation also. So I am going to show you how you can practice one-on-one ChatGPT like a audio calling. Click this image and continue.
Well, hello. I'm really excited about teaming up with you and I'm all set to dive in. So how can I make your life easier?
Sky. Confirm. And allow ChatGPT to record audio. Yes. And here it is. You can start your speaking skill. You can practice your speaking skill with the help of ChatGPT. Hi ChatGPT.
Hey there. How's your day going?
Yeah, this is going wonderful. Tell me, how are you?
I'm here and ready to assist you. So, what's on your mind?
Can you help me improve my spoken English?
Absolutely. Improving spoken English involves practice and exposure to the language. One helpful way is to engage in conversations regularly. We can chat about various topics, and I can provide feedback and corrections as needed. How does that sound?
Wow, wonderful. So, how can I start spoken English?
A great way to start improving your spoken English is by practicing simple conversations. You can talk about your daily routine, hobbies, interests, or even discuss current events. Would you like to have a conversation on a specific topic to get started? Let's start with a simple topic like hobbies. What are some of your hobbies or activities you enjoy doing in your free time?
I like to read. I like to read in my free time.
That's fantastic. Reading is a wonderful hobby. What kind of books do you enjoy reading? Fiction, nonfiction, mystery, or maybe something else?
I would like to read non-fictional.
Nonfiction books offer so much to learn and explore. Is there a particular subject or topic within nonfiction that you find most interesting?
Because which is very realistic and true based stories, that's why.
That makes sense. Nonfiction books often provide real stories and insights. Are there any specific nonfiction books or authors you've enjoyed reading recently?
For this video I just stopped talking to ChatGPT. So I have showed you how you can practice your spoken English with the help of ChatGPT, and also how you can practice your spoken English like an audio call one-on-one with ChatGPT. Right? I have showed you. And see, here what you have discussed or what you have conversed with ChatGPT through audio, they provided in the written format. See, first I asked, "Hi ChatGPT," and see the reply. "Hey there, how is your day going?" I said, "Yeah, this is going wonderful. Tell me, how are you?" And see the reply. "I am here and ready to assist you. So, what's on your mind?" I said, "Can you help me improve my spoken English?" ChatGPT replied, "Absolutely. Improving spoken English involves practice and exposure to the language. One helpful way is to engage in conversations regularly. We can chat about various topics and I can provide feedback and corrections as needed. How does that sound?" See, like a human, like your English teacher, ChatGPT is ready to converse with, to practice spoken English with you. And ChatGPT can provide you at the end of your conversation, ChatGPT can provide you the feedback, the ultimate feedback that you need from any English teacher. ChatGPT is here to help you. So just use this application which is free. So just use this ChatGPT and improve your spoken English from today. So in this video I have showed you how you can practice your spoken English, how you can do general conversation or daily conversation in English with the help of ChatGPT, especially with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI teacher and it will really help you improve your spoken English. And if you have watched this video till now, then please like this video. It really motivates me to upload more videos like this and also a lot of videos with the ChatGPT. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic Indra, because this is the right channel by which you can improve your spoken English day by day. I am constantly uploading videos like grammatical videos or improving spoken English videos. I am constantly uploading videos and also I am constantly uploading conversations videos. There are a lot of videos already in my playlist. Go and check it out and improve your spoken English by watching conversations also. And start your spoken English journey with the help of ChatGPT from today.